What's your brother?
My brother is 23 years old.
Okay. Yeah. This is our three friend. Yeah. He come from
Very
America.
excited to be here.
Yeah. តសួរទៀតអូនមក
My father's name is Ashok. My mom's name is Betsy.
Okay. មានទៀតសួរទៀតទៅ Okay.
Where do I come from? America.
Uh-huh. ទៀត តោះសួរម្នាក់មួយមកសំណួរមកអាកាសល្អសម្រាប់ពួកយើង
Thank you.
What
ចង់សួរ What sport do you like playing ឬក៏ចូលចិត្តលេងកីឡាអត់ឬក៏លេងកីឡាអី អូខេមុនដំបូងគឺ What sport do you like playing Yeah
What sport do you like playing?
My favorite sport to play is tennis. I also like basketball.
Tennis ហើយនឹង basketball បាទ tennis យ៉ាអីទៀតអូខេ
What do you want to be doing in your
Yeah What do you want to be in the future
That works too, what she said. That's good.
Yeah
In the future, I want to be a psychologist.
Psychologist Yeah
Are you come here when
Are you happy
happy when who come here?
Yeah
Am I happy in Cambodia?
Yeah Are you happy when you are in Cambodia
Yes, very happy.
Yeah.
Everyone here is very friendly.
Yeah
And it's a beautiful country.
តទៀតអូនតអូនណាទៀតត Again How old is your mom
My mom is 53 years old.
Okay 53 ប្រហែល Okay How old is your father
He is 62 years old.
Okay 62 Okay
I think I got there.
Yeah
Are you married?
I'm not married.
Yeah
Yeah.
Yeah Yeah
I want to visit Cambodia because Audrey is here, and she told me very good things about Cambodia.
Okay
Thank you.
What time do you get up?
What kind of?
What
Get up.
Again
Get up.
ម្ដងទៀត
Get up.
What time
What time do you get up?
Okay
What time do I get up?
Yeah
Usually I get up at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay 8 o'clock in the morning ម៉ោងម៉ានម៉ោង 8
When is my birthday? October 15th.
October អីទៀត October អីទៀត
October 15th.
October Yeah អី October 15 Yeah
My mother's job? She works at a hospital. Do you know the word for accountant?
Yeah Kennedy Yeah
He's an accountant.
Yeah Okay ក៏ជា Kennedy ក៏
Thank you. How many close friends do I have? Oh,
Yeah close friend
close friends?
Yeah
Maybe around 5 close friends.
Five Yeah Okay Yeah
How do you spell?
Your name
My name? Should I write it on the board?
Yeah here This is marker Yeah
Oh, okay. I'll write it down.
Nghe sao sẽ không?
What are you saying? You're big. Well, they can see it.
Your Khmer language is improving now. Yeah.
Matthew.
Matt,
Matthew.
Matthew, yeah.
Matthew. Should I say it in? I'm 5 feet 7 inches. How is my mom? How tall? I think she's 5 feet 4 inches.
Uh-huh.